So you traveled halfway across the world to get this shot. But here's the problem. Your drone does not have a microphone, and the visual only paints half the picture. What you need is the sound of flight. Something like this. Believe it or not, all this complex sound design that you're hearing is actually coming from a single audio file. It's from the Nature Aerials Library by Lens Distortions. Listen to how insanely immersive this next example sounds. Each sound effect also comes with stems, so you can customize each atmosphere to better match your visuals. Because if you're going to go to the ends of the earth to get that shot, you owe it to yourself to use the very best sound effects.